Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we have a new topic and our topic name is Plants Our Friends. Let's come and start our chapter. It's chapter number 10, Plants Our Friends. Let's start our chapter. Look at the picture given below. Match the plants with its correct type. On has been done. Type of plants. There is many various types of plants. Let's come and start. There are many types of plants. Some tall and strong plants are called tree. जो बड़े और मजबूत पेड़ trees होते हैं, वो क्या कहलाते हैं? They are called trees. And some of them are too weak to stand on their own, like creepers and climbers. Shrubs grow near the ground and have woody and thin stem, whereas herbs have soft and green stem and are small plants. वो क्या हैं? They are small plants. Now, trees. Big, strong and tall plants are called tree, like banyan. A tree has a strong woody stem called the trunk. There's leaf for many years. Some examples of trees are banyan tree, apple tree, coconut tree, and tamarind tree. These are example of trees. These are leaves many years. Now, shrubs. Shrubs are bush-like plants with woody stem. Shrubs are smaller than trees. ये smaller किससे होते हैं? Trees से छोटे होते हैं. They do not grow very tall. ये बहुत ज़्यादा tall नहीं होते. Branches comes out from the main stem and are closely connected. Some examples of shrubs are rose, tulsi plants, hibiscus, mehndi, etc. These are the example of shrubs. Now, next one is our herbs. Herbs are very small plants with soft and shoulder stems. Most of the herbs lives only for a few months. ये क्या करती हैं? थोड़े से ही few months के लिए ही ये survive करती हैं. Some example of herbs are grapes, paddy, mint, etc. These are the example of herbs. Next one is climbers. Now turn to climbers. Some plants which stems cannot stand it on their own. ये अपने आप जो उनका stem है वो stay नहीं कर पाता, stand नहीं कर पाता. They need support of other plants. इनको क्या करना है? इनको किसी other plant का support चाहिए होता है. Sticks or wall to keep them erected. Such plants are called climbers. ये सब क्या कहलाते हैं? जिन्हें किसी और की help की need होती है, उन्हें वो कहलाते हैं climbers. They are called climbers. Some example of climber are money plant. Money plant is the example of climber. Bitter ground, cucumber, and grapevine. These are the example of climbers. Now, some plants with weak stem grow along the ground. They are called, some example of creepers are pumpkin, muskmelon, and watermelon. These are the example of creepers. Now, the turn to move on parts of a plant. Let us learn about the different parts of plant and different their uses. First one is our leaf. This is the flat green part that makes food for the plant. Now, these are make food for a plant. Next one is flower. It is the colorful part of which the fruits is produced. फ्लावर एक कलरफुल पार्ट होता है और ये प्रोड्यूस क्या करता है? फ्रूट को. नेक्स्ट वन इज फ्रूट. इट इज द पार्ट दैट हैज सीड्स इन इट. इनमें क्या होता है? सीड्स होता है. नाउ स्टेम. इट इज द पार्ट दैट ग्रो अबाव द ग्राउंड. It carries food and water to other parts of the plant. It is stem and it carries food and water to plant's part, like fruit, flower, leaves and all. ये carry करता है food and water को और सबको distribute करता है. Next one is our root. It is the plant that grows under the ground. ये कहाँ होती है? It is under the ground. It firmly holds the plant to the ground. It take in water and minerals for the plant from the soil. Next is seeds. It is the main part from which new plants grow. इससे new plants grow किए जाते हैं from seeds. Now, where do plants grow? Different plants grow in different places. Plants को भी grow करने के लिए different kinds का atmosphere चाहिए होता है. Some plants grow in forest and some plants grow in deserts. Some plants grow on hills and mountains. Some plants grow only in water. It is various types of plants which are grows different places. They grow in and around the lakes, river and ponds. Some plants grow only in seas and oceans. Now, plants in forest, plants in deserts, plants in around lakes and ponds and plants in oceans. Next is green plants make their own foods. Green plants जो होते हैं वो अपना food खुद बनाते हैं. Now, like human plants to need energy to live and grow. हम humans हैं, human being की lives में ही जो plants होते हैं उनको भी foods and energy चाहिए होती है for survive. Green plants can make their own foods using water, air, sunlight and soil. इनको food बनाने के लिए किन चीज की need होती है? First one is sunlight, water, air and soil. The roots collect water from the ground. The stem carries the water to the leaves. ये roots सबसे पहले पानी को करती है और stem क्या करती है? Stem जो है वो पूरी water supply पहुंचाता है. The leaves use water, sunlight, soil or air to make a food. The food that is prepared by the leaves is sent to the other parts of the plant. The food that is stored in the roots, leaves, stems, fruits, flowers and seeds. Food stored in a roots, it is carrot. Food stored in a fruit. Food stored in a fruit, it's apple. Food stored in a flower, it's a cauliflower. And food stored in a leaves like Spanish, these are leaves. Food stored in a seeds, wheat is an example. Food stored in a stem, sugarcane is an example of stem fruit. Some plants eat insects. Now, our chapter has been completed. It's time to point to remember. There are big, strong and tall plants with woody stem called trunk. Shrubs and herbsy plants that are smaller than trees and have woody stem. Herbs are very small plants with soft and sheltered stem. Climber are weak plants that need support to stand. Creepers are plants with weak stems that grow along the ground. The different parts of plant are root, stem, leaf, fruit, flower and seeds. Green plants make their own fruits. From this, our chapter has been completed. I hope you all are understood and enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.